In this video, I'll show you how to create a typewriter text transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition erases your first text character by character and then types the next text on screen, making the animation feel clean, mechanical, and engaging. It works great for documentary titles, retro edits, terminal graphics, and storytelling videos. Let's get started. First, place your two text layers on the timeline and make sure they touch where you want the transition. Now go to the effects panel, search for typewriter. Once you find it, drag and drop it between the two text layers. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Start line delay controls how long the animation waits before erasing starts. Increase it for a longer pause. Decrease it for immediate animation. End line delay controls the pause before the new text starts typing. Increase it for more delay. Decrease it for faster typing. Left to right controls the typing direction horizontally. Enable or disable it based on the reveal direction you want. Top to bottom controls typing direction vertically for multi-line text. Line bias controls which line gets priority during typing. Increase or decrease it to change line timing behavior. Caret visibility shows or hides the typing cursor. Enable it for a realistic typewriter look. Caret width controls cursor thickness. Increase it for a thicker cursor. Decrease it for a thinner one. Caret height controls cursor height. Adjust it to match your text size. Natural blinking adds realistic cursor blinking. Enable it for a more authentic typing effect. Fade controls how smoothly characters appear or disappear. Increase it for softer transitions. Decrease it for sharper typing. Use a shorter duration for fast typing. Use a longer duration for slower dramatic text animation. For best results, add typing sound effects to make the transition feel more realistic. And that's it. That's how you create a typewriter text transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.